Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Net.
What does the dictionary say?
Free from all charges or deductions, remaining after the deduction of all charges, outlay, or lost net earnings, net worth.
Math rap.
It's the money, it's what's left when all deductions are made. In geometry, it's a pattern that can become a solid shape. The net is something we often calculate like net worth, net income, or net weight.
Math rap.
Explain net in your own words. Research. What is the net worth of your fave celebrity? What kind of expenses do people incur on a daily basis that affects how much money they are left with in their bank accounts? What professions have to consider the net bottom line in terms of dollars? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!